Welcome to N2 Academy. In this video, you will get theme, moral and summary of the story Journey of Night. Please visit my YouTube channel N2 Academy to get in touch with the latest educational videos. Don't forget to subscribe it too. Journey of Night by Nora Burke is an interesting story. I have tried to present the theme, moral and analysis of the story. Let's see the story in detail. Main theme of the story. The theme of the story Journey by Night, written by Nora Burke, is the great willpower of humans. A determined person will always find a way out if she is determined to reach a certain goal. The story also highlights the love between two brothers, so it also sheds light on brotherly love as well. Sher Singh had a great amount of love and concern for his brother Kunwar in this story. A person should face all challenges in life to ultimately become successful. Now, moral of the story. Journey by Night, written by Nora Burke, is a story depicting the extraordinary power of human will. This story justifies the saying, where there is a will, there is a way, because Sher Singh never lost hope and was determined to take his brother Kunwar to the hospital. Now the summary of the story. Sher Singh was a 12-year-old brave boy who lived in Ladwani village. He lived with his younger brother, mother and father named Sher Singh Bahadur. Sher Singh Bahadur was a famous hunter. One day Sher Singh's younger brother had a pain in his stomach. Sher Singh's mother tried to provide some home remedies to Kunwar, but it did not work. Sher Singh suggested that he would call his father to take Kunwar to the hospital at Kalaghat. The mother said that it would be too late before his father would reach home. So Sher Singh decided that he would carry Kunwar to the hospital, as his mother must stay behind to look after the cattle and farming. Sher Singh's mother, being a hillwoman, knew about carrying loads. She took one of her two saris to make a sling that could be put around Sher Singh's forehead and down his back to carry his sick younger brother to the hospital. As he came near the river bed, Sher Singh knew that he could go no further without rest. As he put Kunwar on the ground, he heard the jostle and squeal of elephants. Sher Singh was frightened, but he could do nothing. But soon the elephant disappeared. He picked up Kunwar and stepped into the shallow river. When Sher Singh stepped into the river, he realized that it was colder than usual. There was an icy edge to it, and in the middle it was deeper than it had been too. The water was almost waist deep. As he washed up on the shore, he saw fresh footprints of a tiger, but he moved forward with great courage. When Sher Singh reached the second river, his hopes were shattered, as from bank to bank the river was foamed. The breeze was not to be seen, though he looked for it. Sher Singh had a good presence of mind and was also quite resourceful. He set his brother down and gave him some river water to drink. He then plaited some grass into a rope. Despite the fact that the sharp blades of the grass cut his fingers, he tied this rope round his brother and himself so that they would keep together. He then entered the water just above the bridge. He moved forward despite all obstacles, including the split ends of bamboo, feeling in the darkness for things to hold on to. Though it was so cold that Sher Singh could hardly keep his hold or get his breath in the spray, he made sure to keep his brother's head above the water. He was defiant, frozen, drowned, yet finally they crossed the river and soon reached a better road. Next day were in a bullock cart, then a truck. At last they were at the hospital. After admitting Kumar in the hospital, Sher Singh worked in the railway yard of loading coal. He earned little money to buy atta flour, mustard oil and chilies to prepare his meal. He found a space in the hospital compound where the other relatives were camping. Then the doctor called from him. The doctor asked him whether he was the boy who brought the child Kumar in from Laldwani, to which Sher Singh replied in affirmative. The doctor smiled and said, Sher Singh Bahadur, your brother will live. Come and see. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed.